The coronavirus pandemic has pushed several economies towards recession. The outbreak has had a huge impact on economic, social and political fronts in many Latin American countries. The virus has dragged several middle-class families back into poverty. The pandemic has also exposed the fragility of the region's social safety nets and failed measures by various measures to provide medical and financial assistance. In Peru, health services are struggling to cope with an uptick in new coronavirus cases, with the Latin American country set to top 40,000 coronavirus deaths. Peru is one of the worst affected countries in South America, with over 1 million confirmed cases. Peru has lagged behind some of its wealthier neighbors in efforts to ensure vaccines for its citizens amid a political crisis in 2020 that saw the ouster of one president and the resignation of another. Meanwhile, Brazil is looking to step up the production of China's CoronaVac vaccine. China is expected to send raw materials to Brazil for the local production. Brazilian Biomedical Center Butantan expects supplies for around 8.5 million doses of China's vaccines to arrive by February 3rd. Mexico's official death toll from the coronavirus passed 150,000 on Monday, following a surge in infections in recent weeks that has stretched the health system in the capital to the limit. Mexico has struggled to contain the pandemic and has the fourth highest death toll worldwide. In the capital, Mexico City, families are struggling to buy or rent vital tanks of oxygen for relatives suffering from COVID-19. Cuba reported a peak in new coronavirus cases on 26 January with 786 new infections. Cuba is one of the few countries which has been hailed for bringing the pandemic under control, reporting a limited number of infections last year in comparison to other Latin American countries. But now, officials are warning of a new uptick in cases. Though the virus arrived late in Latin America and the Caribbean, it hit the region hard. 5 of the top 10 countries in the world for COVID-19 cases are in Latin America. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.